All right, this is the camera in the day. We're gonna record from our to our phone directly, so you guys can see the quality of it, and you will be able to hear me. And then we'll come back at night, so you guys can see the actual video at night. So let's come back at night. So this is a video at night. The quality is really good, as you can see. We're able to capture pretty much anything we want from the actual video. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Today we're gonna bring in an outdoor camera. It comes with its own solar panel, so you don't have to worry about charging. This could be pretty much set up in anywhere in your directional area where you have internet, because this works with wireless. It has a built-in card for those that don't have internet. You can actually put your micro SD card in underneath of it. There's a micro SD card. There's a Type C connection where it requires a power. There's a power button and a reset button. So that's pretty much what you get. And this is covered up, of course. And there's a little tiny little indentation here that you connect the actual camera directly to give it full-time power. This is going to last throughout the day, as long as there's not that much movement throughout the day, of course, you know. And if there's a lot of motion movement, then you're going to have to worrying about make sure you have enough sun to cover that coverage, right? Now, what they give you is they give you the actual stand for the camera and for the actual solar panel. We're going to set this up, and they also give you a template. You guys can know the 3-hole template that you plug in there and set it up. So this is a very simple, basic camera that you set up. You do have to download the application. You could buy the services of the cloud, or you could, like I said, micro SD card is probably the best way to go and save everything locally and transfer everything to your phone. So we're going to put it together and see how it works.
And wait for the scan.
It's successful.
That's it, successful. So we hit OK, next. I have to mute this because we have some echo sound on it. But you guys can see, this is the actual camera capturing my studio, my area here. It's pretty successful how it captures. So we're going to set this up outside and see how it captures in the day and night. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's take a look at the application through the phone. And I'm using a Droid, if you guys can see. Right now, we do have access to the camera here. And it tells you everything, that what kind of quality you have. Right now we're running at 2K. We're able to do two-way talking. You're able to hear what's on the other end. You could take a picture of it and cut it out. Video, record a live feed as you please. Alerts, replay, lights. The lights is pretty much just turning on the light. That's pretty much what you do, all right? Device on, talk mode, and sirens, of course. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe